He started with a vision that no one believed in, against a world dominated by giants. But today, Larry Ellison is not just a tech mogul. He's a force that changed the way we store, access, and use data, from a scrappy startup to a multi-billion-dollar empire. Ellison's journey is a masterclass in disruption, risk, and relentless ambition. This is the story of how one man and his company, Oracle, rose from obscurity to dominate the tech world. Early life and introduction to technology. Larry Ellison's story begins far from the boardrooms of Silicon Valley. Born on August 17, 1944, in New York City, Ellison's early life was marked by hardship. His mother, an unwed Jewish woman, left him with his aunt and uncle at the age of 9 months. Raised in Chicago, Larry grew up with a sense of isolation and a feeling of abandonment. He was a rebellious child who struggled with traditional schooling, particularly due to his lack of interest in conventional subjects. He showed an early fascination with computers, technology, and problem solving, but it was an unconventional path that would define his future. Ellison enrolled at the University of Chicago in the early 1960s, but he dropped out after just 2 years, a decision that would later become a hallmark of his personality. While most of his peers were pursuing degrees, Ellison was learning through practical experience. He moved to California, where the tech boom was just beginning to unfold. It was here that he discovered the emerging field of relational databases, which would become the foundation of his future empire. The birth of Oracle. A bold new vision. In the mid-1970s, Larry Ellison saw an opportunity to revolutionize the way businesses managed their data. The prevailing database management systems at the time were hierarchical or network-based, making it difficult for businesses to access and manipulate their data in efficient ways. Ellison believed in a concept called relational databases, which used tables or relations to store data, allowing much more flexibility and scalability. In 1977, he co-founded a company called Software Development Laboratories, SDL, with 2 partners, Bob Miner and Ed Oates. Initially, the trio worked on a project for the Central Intelligence Agency, CIA, which was developing a system to manage large sets of data, known as Oracle, a code name for the project. Ellison's insight was to turn this concept into a commercial product that could serve any business needing to store and retrieve vast amounts of data. Their breakthrough came when they secured a contract with IBM, which was still heavily invested in mainframes. By 1979, they launched the first version of Oracle, their relational database management system, RDBMS. The product was designed to be compatible with the emerging SQL, structured query language, standard, positioning Oracle as a more modern and scalable solution than traditional mainframe databases. The product didn't immediately take off, but Ellison's relentless drive and conviction in Oracle's potential paid off. The real turning point came when they signed a major contract with Intel, a deal that provided Oracle with the validation and financial resources to push forward. Aggressive expansion, outpacing competitors. Ellison's vision for Oracle extended far beyond just building a database system. His goal was to dominate the enterprise software market, and he approached the task with the same ferocity that defined his personality. He knew that for Oracle to thrive, it had to break into large corporations that needed powerful, scalable data management solutions. In the 1980s, the software industry was heavily dominated by companies like IBM and Microsoft, who had already established strong presences in enterprise computing. But Ellison, ever the visionary, saw an opportunity to leapfrog the competition by focusing on the client-server model, a more flexible and cost-effective way of processing data than traditional mainframe systems. Oracle's rise in the 1980s was characterized by its focus on aggressive sales tactics. The company didn't wait for customers to come to them. Ellison and his team actively sought out large organizations, offering them the benefits of Oracle's relational database technology. Oracle also expanded its product offerings beyond just databases, launching Oracle applications for enterprise resource planning, ERP, human resources, and financial management. This move placed Oracle in direct competition with other software giants and gave it a foothold in the broader software market. Ellison didn't hesitate to challenge established tech giants like IBM, Microsoft, and SAP, making bold moves to position Oracle as the leader in enterprise software. By 1986, Oracle went public, and the company's growth accelerated. The IPO raised much-needed capital, and Oracle used it to expand aggressively, not just in the US, but internationally. The battle with IBM, a new era of computing. As Oracle grew throughout the 1980s, the company began to clash with IBM, the undisputed leader in enterprise computing. IBM's dominance in the mainframe market was unmatched, but Ellison believed that the future of enterprise computing lay in client-server technology, which allowed companies to store and process data on cheaper, more flexible computer systems. In the early 1990s, Oracle's push into the client-server market became a major point of contention. IBM, still heavily invested in its mainframe business, was slow to adopt this new computing model. Ellison was quick to exploit this gap in the market, promoting Oracle's products as the future of computing. By the early 1990s, Oracle had fully embraced Unix operating systems and built its databases to run on both Unix and other systems, positioning itself as the go-to solution for businesses looking to modernize their IT infrastructure. In 1992, Oracle became the first company to release a fully featured relational database on Windows NT, a move that greatly expanded its customer base. Oracle's ability to scale and operate on multiple platforms made it a highly attractive option for businesses looking for flexibility and cost efficiency. IBM, on the other hand, continued to push its own mainframe products, and its reluctance to fully embrace client-server computing would ultimately allow Oracle to leap ahead. Dominating the 1990s and beyond, a tech powerhouse. The 1990s were transformative for Oracle, and Larry Ellison cemented his position as one of the most powerful and influential figures in Silicon Valley. In 1995, Oracle introduced the Oracle 7 database, which was a huge success and established Oracle as the industry leader in database management software. The company continued to expand its offerings, creating a suite of software products designed to meet the needs of large enterprises. By the late 1990s, Oracle was no longer just a database company. It was a comprehensive provider of enterprise software solutions. Oracle's ERP suite became highly popular among large organizations that needed integrated software to manage everything from accounting to supply chain management. Meanwhile, Ellison's reputation for bold leadership, aggressive sales tactics, and uncompromising vision for the future of technology solidified his place as one of the tech industry's most formidable figures. The shift to cloud computing, surviving in a new era. As the new millennium approached, the technology industry was changing again. The rise of the internet and the growth of cloud computing posed a new set of challenges for Oracle. In the early 2000s, Ellison faced increasing competition from companies like Salesforce.com and Amazon Web Services, AWS, which were rapidly gaining traction in the cloud space. Rather than stick to traditional software sales, Ellison made the controversial decision to pivot Oracle toward the cloud computing model. In 2009, Oracle introduced its own cloud platform, and over the next decade, the company made a series of high-profile acquisitions to bolster its position in the cloud. This included the acquisition of Sun Microsystems in 2010, which brought Java and other critical technologies into Oracle's portfolio. Ellison's strategy was bold. Oracle would not only compete in the cloud market, but it would challenge the likes of Amazon, Microsoft, and Google by offering a more integrated and scalable cloud solution for enterprise customers. Oracle's cloud services, such as Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, OCI, aim to provide businesses with a reliable, secure, and flexible platform for managing data, applications, and computing power. Larry Ellison's legacy, a titan of the tech industry. Today, Oracle stands as one of the most valuable technology companies in the world. The company's market capitalization is in the hundreds of billions of dollars, and its products continue to be integral to the functioning of businesses around the globe. But perhaps the most enduring part of Larry Ellison's legacy is not just Oracle's success, It's his relentless pursuit of innovation and his ability to disrupt entire industries. Ellison's leadership has always been characterized by an unyielding belief in technology's potential to change the world. He's never been afraid to take risks, challenge the status quo, or invest in the next big idea. His journey from a young, rebellious student to one of the wealthiest individuals on the planet is a testament to his vision, ambition, and drive. From humble beginnings to a towering figure in the tech industry, Larry Ellison's journey is nothing short of extraordinary. Oracle didn't just revolutionize databases. It reshaped how businesses operate, how data is managed, and how we think about the digital world. But Ellison's story doesn't end with Oracle's success. His relentless pursuit of innovation continues to inspire the next generation of tech leaders. In a world where the future is always uncertain, one thing is clear. Larry Ellison's legacy is built on a foundation of daring ideas, bold decisions, and an unyielding belief that nothing is impossible.